Inspire Institute of Technologies Pakistan is offering you LicQual Level 2 Diploma in Construction Operations and Civil Engineering Services Highways Maintenance, Construction. The LicQual Level 2 Diploma in Construction Operations and Civil Engineering Services, Highways Maintenance, Construction, qualification provides a nationally recognized qualification for individuals working in this sector. The awarding body for this qualification is LicQual awarding body, and the regulatory body is the Office of Qualifications and Examinations Regulation, OFQUAL. Admission open. For registration call us on 92-321-5056-755 or WhatsApp us on 92-331-5999-937. Visit our website www.iitpakistan.com.pk or mail us at info@iitpakistan.com.pk.